Welcome to floor plan design. First of all, I am very much sorry for the inconvenience. Maybe you are listening lot of noises. So I request you please you focus my drawing and my words, and rest of the thing just avoid. There are a lot of noise, so just avoid that noise. Thank you very much. So we will start this from the very beginning. This is our wonderful ground floor plan. You can see here this wonderful floor plan. We have number of 3 bedroom, all attached bathroom, dining hall, wonderful living area and kitchen. So we will see one by one. You can see here this is our entrance. We are getting two side entrance. This is our hall 528 by 610, and this side we are getting our dining 557 by this side, 530 by this side, and 594 this side. Wonderful dining. And we are getting here though, so you can see here this is our attached bathroom and wash area 188 by 152, and this bathroom 198 by 152. So again we are getting here this is our wonderful kitchen. We have given back side entrance also. So this kitchen 427 by 427, and this is service room. You can keep here also servant room, no issue. So 244 by 305 centimeter, and this is our bathroom 224 by 132 this way. And you can see this is small OTS for ventilation purpose, for exhaust purpose. This 3 bathroom covering this OTS, you can see here. So this is the bathroom again 152 by 294. So this wonderful floor plan from this way we are getting like this, and this entrance, this wonderful 300 centimeter wide space for lobby, and this we are getting our living. Here you can see this is our arch means entrance. We can access here this way kitchen and our bathroom, washroom, whatever going there you can access from there. And this side we are coming, this is a wonderful living and dining. Here is 7 meter approximate, this side 8.7 meter approximate. All unit has been covered in centimeter. So you can see here this is our wonderful lobby. Lobby we have given here 112, so you can keep as per your requirement. Maximum you should keep 150 is better option. So you can see here this is our bedroom number 1, 508 by 57 centimeter. So for this bedroom we have this attached bathroom and dress area 224 by 224, and again this is bathroom, wonderful bathroom 224 by 274. We have attached our sink, wash basin, shower tray and water closet. Again we are getting this side bedroom through our lobby 427 by 447, and this side we are getting dress and bathroom 244 by 173 and 264 by 244. Now we are coming this side. This is our wonderful bedroom again 427 by 640, and this is 244 by 344 for dress. You can see here this dot means arch. We have open arch. We do not give, we no need to provide here window, a door or anything else. Just keep open. And this door we are getting entrance for bathroom 244 by 396 centimeters. You can see here this unique shower tray we have, and this wash basin, and this wash basin, and this water closet. So you can see here this, the main thing here column is it's go for design, 2 circular column. And we will see our window area. This hall, this frame window sample design, and this window is giving in curve and shape for continuous frame. This is ground floor only, no first floor, just G plus roof only. And this side we are giving service room, and this bathroom we didn't provide outside window because we have OTS, that's why we provide inside window. And again this is kitchen, through sink hour we are getting this side window and this 2 side window for our dining area. And this is our bedroom, this side window we have given, and this is our bathroom, so this side window. So again we are coming here, this side window for this bathroom, and this bedroom we have given this side window. So this is our bathroom again. So you can see this completely window in one frame. This complete window is bathroom 1, and this bathroom, and this bedroom and this bedroom with this bathroom. This complete one frame window. It means it go continuous glass, and you can divide inside, but it will be same, it will look like same frame from outside for the elevation purpose. So I hope you got this design wonderful. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments, anything, so just let me know. Thank you very much.